Equity is a long-term wealth creator. We all know this. To invest in equity market, we have two options. One is through direct stock investment and another is through mutual funds. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss which is the better option to invest in equity market, whether it is direct stock or through mutual funds. This is Ram Charan. Welcome to my channel Ram Money. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click on subscribe button. For frequent notification, click on bell icon. Recently, one of my friend asked me why I have to pay for a fund manager if I can directly pick a blue chip company and stay invested for long term. So he believes blue chip companies are always safe, and if you keep a blue chip company for long term, definitely he will get a good return. So then what is the need for a fund manager? Why I have to pay a fund manager fee in mutual funds? Friends, so like my friend, so many of the people, investors, they will be thinking and they will be going ahead with the direct stock investment. So you assumed, you picked up a stock, a blue chip stock, and you invested in the stock. One day you will see in the newspaper that blue chip stock turns out to be a Satyam. So Satyam is also, once upon a time, was a blue chip stock. So I got some interesting data. I got this data from the Bombay Stock Exchange website. Totally 8,000 companies are registered in Bombay Stock Exchange. Out of 8,000 companies, active scripts are 4,200 and delisted companies are 3,692 and suspended companies are 960. So 10% of the totally registered companies in Bombay Stock Exchange are already suspended and 40% of the companies are delisted. So if you pick a stock, there is 50% chance that that company will be delisted or it will be suspended. So out of these 4,200 companies which are active scripts, hardly 150 to 200 companies are giving you good returns. So all other companies, other 4,000 companies, they are giving returns less than the FD, or some companies are giving negative returns, and some companies they have lost the entire investors' money. So choosing a company out of this active scripts which give you good return is a very difficult task. It needs lot of research, it needs an environment and experience which most of the mutual fund companies will have better than the retail investors. So assume like I have one more data. 25 years back Sensex was formed. Out of 30 companies which was there in the Sensex 25 years back, only 7 companies are now there in the current Sensex. So out of 30 companies, 23 companies have already become from blue chip, a large cap stock to a mid cap stock. Some companies are already out of business. So even if this means always this states that blue chip stocks are not safe. So if you assume today it's a blue chip stock, Due to a lot of changes or technology changes or business environment, there is a chance that blue chip stock can become a mid cap stock or chances of going out of business. Even if you have all the necessary information and research about the stock, still you have to invest in mutual funds, because when you are investing your own money, managing emotions is also important. I will give you an example. We all know Sir Isaac Newton is a great physicist. What he has done, when he picked up a stock called, the company name was South Sea. He did all the research and he picked up this stock. He invested small amount of money in this stock. So within 3 months of his investment, the stock value got doubled. He sold the stock with profit. After a few months, the price started increasing. He observed his friends are making very good profit in that stock. So what he did, after 6 months, he again invested in the same stock. And earlier he paid 200 pounds. Now he paid 600 pounds to buy the stocks. Almost 3 times more than what he has purchased initially. So during this time, what he did, to make more money, he invested whatever savings he has in that stock. So after a few months, the stock value almost reduced to 50%. He sold the stock with a loss. The total loss what he has made in that stock was almost 20,000 pounds. So today, if you calculate in Indian rupees, the value would be almost 76 crores. So the IQ level of Isaac Newton is more than 170. He is exceptionally brilliant. If you see his IQ, but when you are investing your money, you should be your emotional quotient, that is we call it as EQ. EQ is also more important. So managing your emotional quotient is more important than IQ when you invest directly in stocks. So another argument what I have seen investors making, when Sensex comes down, your mutual fund NAV value will also come down. So what is the use of a fund manager? I agree with this comment. This happens short term. I have observed these things happening short term. Whenever Sensex comes down, the mutual fund NAV value also comes down. But I have this interesting data you can see in the screen. So this I have taken it for 8 years. From July 2012 to March 2020. Sensex has remained almost flat. It is around 25,000. You can see in the screen. But if you see the absolute return made by most of the mutual fund schemes, these are actively managed by fund manager. So the absolute rate of return, the minimum rate of return is 40%, and the maximum rate of return made is 120%. So we all know in November the Sensex reached 44,000. If you see the data from July 2012 to November 2020, so you can see the rate of return, absolute rate of given by most of the mutual fund schemes. It is almost 120 minimum to 250% maximum. You can check the rate of return in this screen. So from these facts, what I can conclude is equity is a great wealth creator in long term, but stock picking is a very difficult task. You need experience, environment and emotion. And blue chips or large cap stock means necessarily they are not safe bets. And emotional quotient is more important than intelligent quotient. So if you don't have experience and environment and emotion, it is better to go with the mutual funds. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to share the video. Thank you.